On my hand, you have seen a white Brahma chicken. Basically, people like this chicken for this beauty. I also have more Brahma chicken. You have seen those chickens inside the cage now. That chicken I hold now, it will be a roaster. This chicken's leg has some problems. I said that 1 month ago in my previous video about this problem. Quail birds are eating food from their food pot. I am seeing an egg inside the cage. Maybe it is not showing up in this video. You are watching quail's egg on my hand now. It is very little but delicious. I will bring more quail birds in the next month. A few months ago, this rooster was very small, but now it is the fully adult rooster. This rooster is always angry and it wants to bite anyone. The rooster has not been taken to the roof for a long time. As soon as possible, I will take it on the roof. It has been raining since the morning, and now the sky is cloudy. Any time rain may come. It is my most favorite Asil baby chick. It is very fickle. I hope you are watching its jump. This domestic chicken was in another cage. I changed this chicken's cage some days ago. Last 2 days ago it was laid eggs. I expect that this chicken will lay eggs today.